Today we will start the air practical. So first we perform in air practical to determine the suspended particulate matter in ambient air through high volume sampler. This is the high volume sampler. So before we start the suspended particulate matter practical, first we take the conditioned filter paper, which is 8 into 10 inches, 24-hour desiccated, to remove the humidity from this filter paper, and weigh this filter paper initial weight to a balance and note down the reading, initial filter paper reading. So after taking the initial filter paper weight, we put the filter paper in this high volume sampler. First we lose this wing nuts, and remove the face plate of this high volume sampler. Now put this filter paper in the high volume sampler, and tighten the nuts, wing nuts. And make sure that there is no leakage of air through this the air passing through the filter paper. Now after placing this filter paper, close this hut and note down the manometer reading. If the manometer reading is less than 0, now with the help of a screwdriver, loose this nut and add a distilled water through here and level the volume of distilled water to 0. This is the main switch, and this is the time totalizer, which is calculate the time after the sampling complete. So first we put on the instrument and note down the initial manometer reading, which is approx 1.38 cubic meter per minute, and time totalizer reading. Now after stop the sampling, first again we note down the manometer reading. This is the final manometer reading, and as well as time totalizer, final time totalizer reading. Now put off the instrument and loose the wing nuts. And remove out the filter paper. Again desiccate this filter paper for 24 hours in desiccator and weigh this filter paper, final filter paper weight. So after sampling is completed, now remove the filter paper and weigh, condition the filter paper for 24 hours and weigh the filter paper. This is the final filter paper weight. Now we put these reading into this formula. This is the suspended particulate matter microgram per meter cube, Wf minus Wi into 10 to the power 6 upon volume of air sample, where Wf is the final filter paper weight and Wi is the initial filter paper weight. Now V is the how to calculate volume of air sample. So first we calculate the average flow rate, which is the F1 or F2 value of manometer reading. So first final manometer reading plus initial manometer reading, final manometer reading divided by 2. This is the average flow rate of our high volume sampler. And time is calculated by time totalizer reading. So final time totalizer reading minus initial time totalizer reading, and calculate the time in minutes, and put this V value from here and calculate the suspended particulate matter from in ambient air. Thank you.